Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to talk about baby bobcats. Now, a regular bobcat are these little skid steer loaders you've seen at various residential jobs or small commercial jobs. These little bad boys are very fun. I got to drive one of these when I was in college getting my degree, and they can lift about anywhere from 1,500 to 3,000 pounds. Really great for demolishing. As you can see, these guys going at it and destroying this front driveway that's getting remodeled. But what about if you need to use something in the backyard? You know, backyard's a little bit trickier because you have to get through those tiny gates. So what do you need? You need a baby bobcat. That's right, Bobcat actually makes them in tiny sizes. So they have a couple different varieties, the MT85 and the MT100. This is the MT100. And what's neat about this little guy is that it can get through a 32-inch wide gate. They're very, very tiny, so really great for sneaking into backyards so that you can then go at it and just demolish stuff. So here you see him carefully driving. Now you noticed he had to actually get all the way around the various paver samples that were there on the side, but these things are incredibly maneuverable, and once you get them into a backyard, you put on this big jackhammer bit and you just go at it. And these guys can rip through about 5 to 6 inches of concrete. They actually have an 8-inch bit as well, so they can get through quite a bit of concrete. And the great thing is, this is much faster and safer than using hand jackhammers. So this guy in this particular backyard had to rip out about 1,400 square feet of concrete, and it only took about 2 days to rip it out. And then they put on this skid steer loading bucket and then scooped it all up and pushed it over to where the dump trucks were. So anyway, this is the baby bobcat. I wanted to show you guys this kind of cool little toy for doing backyard remodels. When you have a really big demolition, you can rent these all over America. This is the MT100, and again, it can lift about 1,000 pounds, so about a third of what the full-size bobcats can do, but really great for getting into backyards and getting that debris out. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug saying thanks so much for watching.